How to add a clickable link to YouTube video description. Well, the process is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to add a clickable link to YouTube video description, you just want to copy the link as it is. So if I want to share this link here, right, here, just let me head into any one of the link. So what you can do is you can copy the link as it is. Now do not use any bold text, any such. You just want to copy it, and what you want to do is once you copy it here, simply head over and proceed to YouTube Studio, or if you're uploading the video, you'll be right on the description tags, right? So you can head over to content option on the YouTube Studio, then tap on three dots and tap on edit. Once on edit, you'll be finding the description tag. You can go ahead and proceed to paste the link here. Make sure not to add in any extra details here. You can simply proceed to paste here. So this way you can add a clickable link. However, I'm not doing this here. This is how you can add a clickable link to your YouTube description. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.